Async, sync, async calls in one Python event loop. Let's say I have a class which uses asyncio loop internally and doesn't have async interface. I use all advantages of asyncio internally and don't have to care about it in the outer code. But then I want to call 3 fetcher instances in one event loop. If I had async def interface, there would be no problem. Asyncio.gather could help me. Is there really no other way to do it without supporting both interfaces? Come on. It makes you change all your project because of one asyncio usage. Tell me this is not true.
Come on. It makes you change all your project because of one asyncio usage. Tell me this is not true. It's true. Whole idea of using a wait keyword is to execute concurrent jobs in one event loop from different places of the code, which you can't do with regular function code. Asyncio is not some utility, but whole style of writing asynchronous programs. On the other hand, Python is very flexible, so you can still try to hide using of asyncio. If you really want to get sync result of 3 fetcher instances, you can for example do something like this. Output. But, again, you'll really regret someday if you continue to write code this way, believe me. If you want to get full advantage of asynchronous programming, use coroutines and await explicitly.